Hello.
We're back. So we got all the ingredients.
Yeah, today we're gonna do like colors mixing.
We got vinegar, like they said. The thing,
Let me see the vinegar.
the vinegar,
Okay.
the baking soda,
Just leave it over there.
And the food coloring is right over here.
So we
got
have
a
everything
spoon
to
and water.
do. Okay, yeah. Go ahead.
So
How are you gonna do it,
We're
really?
gonna
We're gonna
investigate.
put these goggles on.
And
Okay.
I'm gonna use my magnified glass.
What is
Magnify.
it?
A magnified glass, so I can see bigger and clear.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna take this and we're gonna try to make a volcano explosion like they said in the
But take that yellow
class.
thing. You do like that and then you
So I'm thinking they said to put the vinegar first. So we're gonna open this.
give it to me.
Okay, you're not strong enough.
So
Me neither. I can't open it.
No way.
we need to try. We're scientists now.
Or maybe we could do a positive explosion with the baking soda and the water.
Oh, it's too tight. So I'm thinking we need help.
I'm thinking.
Okay,
we
so
should
what do you
use our
put here? Did you put something here? I see in the.
Yeah, we put in
Okay.
food coloring.
food coloring.
Let me see. Let me see.
Some red food coloring.
Okay.
It looks like bloody.
What are you gonna put here?
Here,
No, here.
We're gonna
Yeah,
do
here.
baking soda.
here we're gonna make some yellow potion and make some
Can you move it over here? Move it in
and
the
some
middle.
mother.
Move everything here
Move it
so I
here.
can like it in video.
And now we have the baking soda too. So we took off the cap, which is purple. We put that to the side. Now we're gonna take the vinegar,
You
the
mean
baking
baking
soda, and pour in here. So it did say take a cup, so I'll take the cup,
The cup is right over here.
the measuring cup. So
Good, a major cup.
1.5.
Can you just put everything here in the middle so I can like?
See,
Wow, it's going slowly. So
I think it's enough.
yeah.
So you're gonna put water here.
Yeah, we're gonna put water
and we're gonna.
to make it go faster.
Think that's enough.
Yeah,
Right about enough butter.
yeah,
And now we have to put the vinegar.
which is hard to open.
Okay.
I'm gonna do something to make it go right.
Maybe.
Let me have to open it for you. Go ahead.
We opened it, now we're gonna put it in.
But put everything here in the middle so I can like. Can you move this here?
As you can see, inside is blue. So I would say 1.5.
That's enough, I think.
Yeah, I think this is enough.
Boom!
That was scary.
Oh wow.
It looks like
It
some
looks
soda.
like something's is gonna erupt.
It smells.
It smells kind of bad. I'm warning you, you should not try this at home. Well, it's looking a little bit red. It's trying to go down a little bit.
Wow.
Well, I was thinking, since they said put 1 and a 2, I think I know why they said that. So it doesn't usually get messier, and it doesn't. Nothing happens. There's still a little more going through.
So what are you gonna add? You gonna add something or?
I was thinking we could add a little water to see what's gonna happen.
Okay.
So let's get the water.
And
because it's usually supposed to erupt. Wow, now it's going down faster.
That's it.
Let me get a sample of it, as you can see. Here's a sample of it.
Okay, put it in your mouth. We're gonna see what is gonna happen.
No, it's gonna taste nasty.
It's gonna be bad.
So-
Your tongue is gonna go bloody red.
So let's put this to the side. Now I'm gonna get this to see closer. Wow, I see it's
What is
super
this?
bad.
You gotta put it down so we can see it.
Wow, I see little tiny bubbles. If you could see it, there's little tiny bubbles. I want to try to get those bubbles. Oh, yeah, you can't reach it.
Or maybe we have to put more water.
Yeah, let's get a sample and put it in there. So pass me one yellow, and you can get one orange. So now we're gonna put some of it here. So we're gonna make a little sample of it, one in here.
No, the symbol is gonna be from the.
Oh, here, yeah. We're gonna take this. So
No, but that
No.
can't be because I'm gonna try to.
Okay, no. Don't make a mess.
we're not gonna do.
No, wait.
Oh, and it did say stir it. We forgot to stir it.
Wait. No.
No. What do you put this? Oh my god.
Just.
Wow,
could
it's
just-
erupting.
That's it.
Oh, that was awesome.
That was awesome. It went like that. Boom. That was crazy.
So, I realized it wasn't erupting.
It was just air.
Maybe we didn't put up make.
No.
That
Because
much.
when I put this and I shaked it, this blew out of it like boom.
Yeah.
Like boom. I think that's it.
Oh yeah, it just
Before
did
we're gonna
again.
boom.
It just did it again.
It's burning your head. Is your hand burning?
Yeah. No, it's not like.
No, because
yeah.
when we shaked it, this blew out of it in our hand. That was
Yeah.
crazy.
So
Okay.
we have our little sample. So
So we're gonna take some of it with this and make a sample in there. No way, I think it goes in here.
yeah,
So
we
it
got
goes
a
in
cup.
here.
At least
No,
it's
wait.
empty still.
This goes back over there. Where's the yellow